To fix the performance problems and low FPS in Monster Hunter Wilds, first thing you need to check is to see if your graphics drivers are up to date, and you can do it by clicking on your toolbar right here, then open NVIDIA GeForce or AMD software and look for the drivers. Make sure to download the newest version right here. Next thing is to open the options in your game, and right here we'll be able to find two different tabs regarding the graphics. So first is display. Right here you can change the resolution, borderless window, and etc. So I would actually recommend to go for the borderless window and then cap your frame rate at the desired level, but don't overdo it, as this may have also issues. So I'm gonna go for 120 FPS. Let's just stick with 119 for now. Next thing is to click on the graphics, and right here you can adjust everything, and the most important settings that you can actually change, which will regard your FPS, is upscaling. So I strongly recommend to go for NVIDIA DLSS if you're using your RTX or NVIDIA graphics card. Otherwise on AMD I think you won't be able to see that. So if you're using AMD, then go for AMD FSR and choose one of those settings. Next thing is to change the upscaling mode and also enable frame generation while we add it, and then you'll be able to change upscaling mode between balanced, quality, performance, and ultra performance. So this will actually adjust your graphics on the go with the game, so it will give you the desired FPS, and you can of course experiment with those settings. So you can set it to quality, balanced, performance, or ultra performance each time you're in the game and see which options give you the best performance. And that would be everything. You can also experiment with the graphics settings, but this thing that I shown you should fix your FPS in no time. And as I said, that is everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.